subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा तालिबात, सर अब्दुल सत्तार ख़ान इस यूट्यूब चैनल में आप तमाम का इस्तक़बाल है। 11th क्लास इंग्लिश न्यू सिलेबस 1.4 पिलर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी आइस ब्रेकर्स। आज इसके आइस ब्रेकर्स करेंगे 1.4 पिलर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। Discuss with your partner and choose the correct alternative. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people shall not perish from the earth. This famous statement is made by Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln, Dalai Lama. A system where the government is elected and ruled by people is called bureaucracy, aristocracy, democracy, autocracy. A democratic country is governed by its military, police, politicians, constitution. पहले का आंसर है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द पीपल, बाय द पीपल एंड फॉर द पीपल शैल नॉट पेरिश फ्रॉम द अर्थ. दिस फेमस स्टेटमेंट वाज मेड बाय अब्राहम लिंकन. अ सिस्टम वेयर द गवर्नमेंट इज इलेक्टेड एंड रूल्ड बाय पीपल इज कॉल्ड डेमोक्रेसी. अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री इज गवर्नड बाय इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. The trinity of democracy comprises three principles. Complete the web to show the trinity of democracy. Trinity of democracy: liberty, equality, fraternity. Match the following: constitution, liberty, equality, fraternity. Pillars form a support for concrete buildings. Metaphorically speaking, a strong nation. Two depends on strong pillars. Discuss with your partner. Explain the pillars of democratic nation and make a list of obstacles that are threat to the progress of a nation. Constitution. Constitution क्या है? It is an aggregate of fundamental principles or established precedents that constitute the legal basis of a polity, organization or other type of entity and commonly determine how that entity is to be governed. Liberty, it is the freedom to go where you want, do what you want, etc. Equality, it is the state of being equal, especially in status, rights or opportunities. Fraternity, it is the sense of common brotherhood. Pillars of democracy: free and fair elections, freedom of expression, liberty, equality, fraternity, accountability, strong values, transparency, education for all, health for all, etc. Obstacles, threats for the democracy: apathy of the voters, corruption, lack of accountability, lack of transparency, religious, caste-based politics, censorship on free speech, etc. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी. खुदा हाफिज़.